Hi, I'm Christina. I am in the forest. As you can see, I'm still at Chincoteague and I'm on my way to the Lighthouse, and I thought I would do this quick model. So we have a front view, back, side, and front. Now I just wanted to describe what I have on. I have on this beautiful A-line skirt with a built-in slip, and there's pinstripes, vertical stripes, and diagonal stripes, and a nice waistband and a zipper up the side, and it fits very well. So there you have it. Oh, my blouse. Oh yes, this is a gorgeous white blouse, top, sweater type thing. And it's just gorgeous, and you can wear it with everything. So have a good day, and I will see you at the Lighthouse. Bye-bye.